Hello, in this video I am going to show you how to replace, repair a damaged instrument cluster. It can be either from a motorbike or a car. This one's from a Triumph motorcycle. It has stress cracks in the lens of the instrument cluster. This bike's only got like 10,000 miles on it. Wasn't involved in any accidents. These just apparently crack for no apparent reason. Anyway, at Triumph, this will set you back tons and tons of money if you want to buy a new one. Obviously, you'll get it with 0 miles on it, and you'll have it reset and whatnot. But what you can do is basically disassemble it and replace the glass here. So in order to do that, you need to obviously remove the instrument cluster off of the motorbike. You have multiple Phillips screws, Phillips head screws all around the edge. You just remove these, and then you can lift off this bit off of the actual instrument cluster. You're left with the dials here. Be careful not to touch anything or contaminate the surface, because it's really hard to clean. Just set this aside. And what you're left with is this bit. In order to remove the glass from this side, you'll need to pry off the silver bit off of the black bit. In order to do that, you need a flathead screwdriver and a heat gun. Be careful with the heat gun. Just go around the edges here from a distance. Careful not to melt the plastic, because that's obviously not something that you would be able to repair afterwards. This is what I found to be the best place to get started, because the silver bit is glued onto the black bit in 3 places, around here, here, and here. So if you start your working your way around from this place here, it will just come off easily, like this. What you find here is this is where it's been glued, here, up here, and down here. Now you have this glass that you need to take off. It is obviously going to be replaced, so it doesn't really matter if you damage it when you try and take it off. The way it comes off is you have to push it from this side. It's also glued around here, so using a heat gun will help. Now, the place where you need to get the new glass is in the UK anyway. You can find them in different shops online that sell them cut to shape. So you just measure this with a caliper. On a Triumph Speed Triple, it's roughly 84 centimeters in diameter. You just lift this off, get the new shape in, glue it on, put everything back together, and it should look much better than it does now. Alright, thanks for watching.